Do you ever feel like your car is just eating up your money every time you stop at the gas station? You're not wrong. Something might be wasting fuel without you even knowing it. In this video, we'll reveal some surprising hidden problems that make your fuel disappear faster and how to fix them before they drain your wallet. So buckle up. After this video, your gas tank and your wallet will thank you. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Reason number 1, hidden fuel leaks. There could be tiny leaks in your fuel lines, injector seals, or even your gas tank, and you might not even know it. These small cracks or holes can let fuel drip out or evaporate, and over time that's like throwing money on the ground every mile you drive. You might notice a gasoline smell under the car, or maybe wet spots in your garage. That's your warning sign. Tighten that loose clamps, replace damaged fuel lines, and fix that drips as soon as possible. Even a small leak can kill your fuel economy. Fixing it early keeps your gas and your money right where it belongs, in the tank. Reason number 2, bad oxygen sensors. Your engine uses oxygen sensors to control how much fuel it needs. But when one goes bad, it sends the wrong signals, making your engine use too much gas. It's like your car's brain telling the engine to flood itself. Just one bad sensor can drop your mileage by up to 15%. A bad sensor might even trigger the check engine light, or you'll just notice your fuel is vanishing fast. The solution? Have a mechanic scan for error codes. If the O2 sensor is faulty, replace it. You'll get better mileage and save money at the pump. Reason number 3, incorrect tire pressure. Driving with low tire pressure is like pulling a heavy load. Your engine works harder and uses more fuel. Even a small drop in pressure can reduce mileage. Soft tires quietly drain your fuel tank without you knowing. You lose gas without even realizing it. Solution: check your tire pressure once a month when tires are cold. Fill them to the recommended PSI, check your car's door sticker. It's a fast, free fix that gives you better mileage and safer driving. Don't let underinflated tires waste your fuel. Reason number 4, carrying excess weight. That heavy trunk load may feel useful, but it makes your engine work harder. More weight means it burns more fuel. Even 100 extra pounds can reduce mileage by up to 2%. Your fuel tank pays the price for all that junk. Remove things you don't need and take off that roof rack if it's empty. A lighter car means better pickup and fuel savings. Cut the weight, and your engine won't waste gas pushing useless loads. Simple fix, big difference. Reason number 5, fuel cap issues. Sounds small, but a loose or cracked gas cap can cause fuel to evaporate before you even start driving. That cap keeps your fuel system sealed and pressurized. Without it, things go wrong fast. The result? Your gas vanishes into thin air, and so does your money. You're literally losing fuel while standing still, and most people never notice. The fix is easy. Always twist the cap until it clicks. If it's broken or worn out, replace it. It's cheap and keeps every drop of fuel where it belongs, in your tank. Don't leave money on the road. These hidden culprits could be why your tank runs dry too fast. Catching and fixing each one means fewer pit stops and more dollars staying in your wallet. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone else who feels like their car is guzzling gas.